just love digging under my footing at my house so I can get a water line under there. I just love it. I'm gonna put my glove on. Awfully hard to video in one hand, put the glove on in the other hand. I've got a bar going across this way, one of my bars across the ditch. Got some plastic in the hole so I don't get all dirtied up on my pants. Be a real mess. Then I got my bar there. Now we take the bar and we keep jamming it in the hole. And I've been doing that for about the last hour. And there's a big rock down there. So what do you think? You like to do this kind of stuff? Hey, I love it. Oh yeah, it's a lot of fun, baby. It's a lot of fun. I will win. I will win. So that's what I'm doing currently, and I'll do some more, but I just thought I'd show you the fun things I get to do. And it's about 79 degrees, 80. Drink lots of water. Someday I won't have to do this, especially after on passive launches.